What's up, guys? Hey, what's up, guys? So we're gonna do a live trading session, New York session. It's 8:30 right now. So let's go over a little bit of analysis. So the way that I start off is by going on the daily time frame, and I look for patterns that are I look for support, resistance patterns, right? So right now, as we can see, that this pattern happens a lot, where you have a high to the left, and then a high to the right, high to the left, high to the right. And they seem to be just around the same size. And in between that, you have a W. You have a W. You will have a wick at the bottom, and then an upward movement. Here's another scenario: wick at the bottom, and upward movement. Wick at the bottom. Here's the next scenario, which I'm planning here. It's going to go to like towards 90 cents and then go back down. So right now, overall, we have a wick at the bottom, and then you can see that the previous high for that wick was this one right here. Here's that high we can see right there, right? Here's that high. So as we can see, it went up and it went back down again before that high. So here we go, it went back up, and then it went back down. I do expect a little, it's going to be volatile. So will overall long in these next couple of days, next week or two, it should be rising up, right? It should be rising up close to 7,800, close to say like 80 cents. So, all right, so now that I have that, there's a high chance that that is going to happen. Now that I have it, I'll put my indicators. Let's see here. Okay, I'll look at Market Cipher, see where we're at right now. Okay, so we're still relatively close to the bottom-ish. So we still have upward potential up, right? We have a 16 at the bottom, which indicates a little bit higher movement up. We passed this resistance, it turned into a support now. Okay, another indicator going up. Right, okay, so I think we're going to be going into movement here. Let me go and put up my phone. Make my trades on my phone. It's a lot easier on here. Get my charger. Okay. All right, so let's look a little bit closer here. Now let's go on the 4 hour. Okay, see what we got here. Goes down, wick up, goes down, wick should be going up. Now we do have a double top pattern forming here, right? We do have that, which could be a little bit scary there, but this is more long-term, guys. So I do very short-term trades. I get in and out, but I get the bias from the higher time frames and say, hey man, I get ideas of where it's going to go, and I'll trade in that direction. All right, so so as you can see, we have this green dot here, which indicating a move up, which I think we are getting a move up here. We'll go on the 1 hour now, guys. I'm gonna go on the 1 hour now. Okay, so I can plan out my moves. I still am a little bit scared on this because this move happens a lot. It's a double top, and then it ends up shooting back down. So we have to be careful, right? So now let's go and put on the drawings here. I map out support and resistance very, very well. I add them with the I use the Fibonacci tool to help me find them, right? So let's bring this down a little bit. Don't need that. Let's go from there. I'll map it out to the 786 and all that stuff. So I use the Fibonacci tool. Look, guys, we're prices above the VWAP. We have a break of this channel here, break of that channel, right? So we have more likely than not, this is going to be going up, right? And I have this right here because that was a profit trend line right there. Okay, so more likely this is going to be going up. Doesn't mean I'm not going to short it. Doesn't mean there's no opportunities to short, but there's a much higher chance of that for right now it's going to be going up. Okay. Okay, as you can see, you got like a head and shoulders pattern, right? I'm looking at all the patterns, head and shoulder, right? So it could definitely go up here and then shoot way back down, but I'm still buying all the way up here. Let's go ahead and, okay. All right, so we still have our bias here. Make sure my VPN is on. Okay, it's on. Turn on our, log into our accounts, get my orders ready, as in like how much I'm gonna trade. And as you can see, it tapped into the bottom support here. Went up, tapped it. This always does. This price will always retest to the bottom support. Always, guys. This is what I've realized with XRP. This is what I specialize in, XRP, nothing else right now. Okay, so let's look here. So let's start plotting out some trend lines here. What do we got here? Okay. Okay, instead of this, I'm trying to look for any relevant trend lines, which, as you can see, this is actually a very powerful one. It's on the weekly, and it just goes around. It tends to bounce from it and whatnot. So we are underneath it. We are close to resistance here. So if I go from this bottom to this one right here, you know, we are close to a 618, which could be adding resistance. This is another zone of resistance over here. But we are right. So what we can do is we can buy towards that resistance and get out. That's how I use this. We can buy towards resistance. As you can see, the money flow is going up in here. Okay, so let's see. We have a continued movement. Okay. As you can see, we had yeah, let's bring this up here. Okay. So we're just, that green bottom is just starting. As you can see, it has been creating higher highs. The only thing though, guys, is that I will, I'll go in on a buy on this. It's just too high for me right now. It's too high. This is not indicating that it's too high. It's still definitely indicating that we can go higher. But if I'm going to buy this, I am going to buy it at a smaller time frame. So now we're on the 1 minute, guys. So we have our chances that, hey, we're most likely going to be going up, right? We have more higher chance of going up than down. We are at a point of resistance now, right? So resistance is where price gets hit down, knocks down, right? So what I'm going to do here, and what would have been a perfect buy is this, guys. Man, I should have been. Okay, so you see that trend line. This is my strategy. And so you got the trend line, you have the break of the trend line, retest with the W, and then right here, right here, when you see these two, you see this green dot, I would have bought on that after that green dot, after that trend line broke, retested green dot. That's my strategy, one of my strategies. It works very well. As you can see, you got this trend line. Let's look at it right here. Trend line broke here, green dot up, and you have to get in and out fast though, guys. I'm going to tell you, this is why I actually bet very heavy though. I bet very heavy, and then I do 1-to-1 when let's see here. I'll do like 1-to-1s. This one probably definitely could have gotten stopped out though. Don't get me wrong, guys, but I will do 1-to-1s on these. And I'm going to show you. We'll be doing it live right now. Okay. So as you can see, we have yeah, this is too high to buy, guys. Let's see. Price could definitely be losing power right now. The reason why I tell you why, guys, is because as you can see, we have like a pattern going down, and then you know, broke out, went back up. All right, we got a pattern going down, and it's using, and you see this here? This looks just like this in a way, just in the downward movement. And look what happened. It went back up close to the top and shot way back down. Right? So this could do the same thing, go and shoot way back down here towards the VWAP and the bottom support. Then it would be amazing buys down here. But overall, this is you know, still indicating, this is overall still indicating, let's see, if we're here, and this is just tested, so we're going to do it. So does price have a higher chance of hitting over here or hitting over here based off all the things that we're looking at right now? Let's see. That's looking good. You get the green dot pointed up. It's still a little bit too high, but the money flow is going up. We got the VWAP pointing up. You got a 15, VWAP pointing up, money flow going up. Money flow going up, VWAP pointing up. Okay, so over here it's starting to seem like it's getting a little bit of resistance here on the 24-minute, but look, we went up, we broke all this resistance, retested support back up, so we do have a higher chance of it going back up here, right? We have a higher chance of it moving up. This is a bearish pattern here. This is like a pattern that tends to kind of go back down for a bit, so we could probably find some better buys down here at this support level right here, right? And we're going to be getting in and out. We're going to be getting in and out fast with high. I place anywhere between like $7,500 to $15,000 per trade, so that way I can make some profits on small moves, get in and out, a couple $100, $100 to a couple $100. Okay. Let's see here. Went up. Now it's probably going to go ahead and retest the support right here. Right. So let's mark these areas. Let's mark this area here. What does this do? So I get to see here. So if it breaks below here, which is most likely going to be breaking down, guys. It's most likely, let's see. Even though on the higher time frames it seems pushing up, we might get some more bottom movement here. You know, so why do I do this? Well, if it breaks this low, if I see that the candle pierces through it, it has a higher chance of going to the next one, right? And if it pierces this one, it has a higher chance of going to the next one. So when that happens, I see what's going on down here, and I see what's going on in the higher time frames, and I start getting a better picture. Hey, where does this have a higher chance of going towards, up or down? This is what trading is. It's all probabilities of where it's going to go. As you can see, it broke. You know, it's breaking that one, but it still hasn't broken this low here, which is actually the real support. You know, another level of support here, which I don't need to draw it as long as I know that it's there. Like, you know, there's one right here and then one right here. There are many very small supports. But as you can see, so if we go here, right, guys, if we see a trend line going there, see that broke that trend line, see that? So we might get a wick, a candle moving up again, right? It's going to move up. Once it moves out, this might just shoot right back down. As we can see that we have a higher chance of going down because of this right here, right? Over here, it's starting to point down, and we're pretty high up here. Normally you want to buy here, sell here, okay? So all of this information is, you know, it broke this trend line, which means that price is getting weaker. We also have this market cipher pointing momentum waves at the top, which means, you know, higher chance of it going down. We have a red candle going down. All of the smaller time frames, it's showing that we should be going down here, not here, and reversing. So what I would do, now if I see some reversing over here, that could be my trade, right? If I see here, this starts to kind of go down. You know, if I start seeing that market cipher is doing this with a green dot down here, I'm buying, I'm taking this one, depending on how the structure of how it looks, because overall we still have a chance of going moving up. So I'm going to be placing buys, right? I'm going to be placing buys where support is created, a green dot's formed, and everything else is aligning at the bottom. As you can see here, I mean, oh, there we go. Let's go back on the 1 minute. Oh, look at that, guys. That one, yeah. We would have been fucked if we would have bought there. So that's why you can't just be buying them. You have to, especially with the type of trading that I do, guys. It's very fast. As you can see, look, see, it's going up from the bottom there, but not safe to buy. Not safe to buy. And from here to here, we'll say $15,000, $15,000 trade. This is like $100 move right here. From here to here, $100, real quick, and you're in and out, like your favorite burgers, Okay, so it broke that one. Now we have a higher chance of revisiting this one down here. Let's see. Oh, all right. This is a beast. I love Dan Peña, great mentor. So I was just watching that. But let's keep our focus on here. Okay, so we got a potential rounding. You see how we have some movement, but okay, so we have a little stop sign. It went down here, stopped. So it's probably going to fill this in. So like if we get like a green dot there, already a red one on a 3 minute, indicating potential more downward movement. Okay, as you can see, we have okay. Price wasn't able to break above here. In about 3 minutes, if this candle stays here, we could get an upward movement, but this is already indicating that price was not able to move. See that right there? This support, it was not able to move above there, indicating that it's not that we don't have enough buyers yet in the market. Okay, higher time frame is changing a bit. Let's go and take everything out. This is indicating indicating that it's not strong enough. We're not having enough buyers. We simply do not have enough buyers. Okay. So as you can see how I'm doing this, guys, I broke this, and what's going to happen next? What's going to happen next? Most likely it's going to touch this one here. Let's go look for our next support zone, which is, see how this one hits. Look where it hits. Look where it hits. It's here, here, here. So look for ones that hit all over the place. Yeah, like right here. Okay. Because this could easily go 2 sales, guys. This could easily break this. The most likely what we're going to happen, guys, it's going to break this. See how it's losing power? It's most likely going to break that. You see this yellow line right here? If price breaks beneath it, I'm going for sell. If it does a violent, it goes like this, and it should start going like that. And like that, I can go for sells here. I can also go for buys here. Very quick in and out, depending if all the things align, all the movements align. But I tend to only make trades where the bigger movements are at, from these, like from the 30, 15 minute up right here. I get my bias here. I say, hey, where's it going to go? Where's the higher chance of it going? And then I make trades towards that direction. So let's go and bring our stuff back here. And I've been live trading for the past 4 or 5 days. I've been doing it this way, and 7, 8 out of 10 fucking trades that you've seen me do won. So if you have some sort of skepticism, don't worry. It's all good, man. It's okay. You need to be skeptical, but just make sure that you're being true and real. Look through the information. Look through the information and don't just be a fucking skeptical asshole without looking at information and forming an idea off that. Let's see what we got. Go back. Okay, so as you can see, we bottomed out at a support level here. Let's erase this. We bottomed out at a support level. This is a strong support at one point. Broke it. Broke that. Retested, went down. Broke it. So we may see if we get a green dot here. Might get that green dot in there. That's starting to curve, starting to go. You see that right there? This happened before. Here it is. What happened there? It was just a little quick one up. Right? Not even a one up. You see how I broke here? See how that trend line, broke. But after a while went up and then it went back down. That's when we may be getting that. Okay. So we have successfully created support, went down support. This candle may have an opportunity to there we go. See, so I'm definitely not taking this trade, but more likely than not, this is going to probably get ran though. I would take this trade for sure. Should I is the question. Should I is the real question. Broke that. Let's pretend that was a trade. I did not take it. But everything qualifies for that trade. Everything is moving in that direction. And on the smaller time frames, we got the green dot there. Okay. See how we created a support level at the around here. Okay. What's going on there? Okay, you still got some little bit of downward momentum. Definitely got downward momentum. See how it reacts here. If it just breaks it, then we're more likely testing this one right here, or at least this one right here. Oh, yeah, that one's out. But who knows? It might just go whoop right here, go up. But no, this is most likely going down. Short-term bias now is short-term bias is sells. Short-term bias is sells because I mean, we're still pretty high here at the top on market side for a closer resistance, which was previous support on the left side. If you see here, previous support. All right here. Most likely turning into resistance now on the short time frames from here on down. What do we got here? No, go back. All right, got here. Okay, so the next thing I'm anticipating here is, okay, so as you can see, here's another one we could have done. Here's a break of trend line right there. And revisits the top of sales. That would have been a great sell right there. So let's continue to look for some trend lines that we could see. We have a break of trend line right here, retest at the bottom, up W retest at the bottom right here. Kind of like I did here, and then went back up, so it could still go down here, touch the VWAP or this EMA, and then shoot back up, which we, depending off if this looks good, which is starting to look like it may, we can place buys around here at the bottom, around here, very small buys, quick in and out. You got to place your stop loss and you take profit very fast on these trades because they do get hit either or pretty quickly. With a higher, and the take profit is one that gets hit most of the time. Go back to my videos, you'll see. Okay. 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 It's looking like a head and shoulders pattern right there. Let's see, what do we got, guys? What do we got? Okay, let's go ahead and let's do my affirmations here. So I'm easily growing my trading account daily. I'm excited to push my team to grow exponentially. I'm easily creating viral and valuable content daily. I'm easily growing my trading account daily. I'm excited to push my team to grow exponentially. I'm easily creating my viral valuable content every single day. I'm easily growing my trading account daily. I'm easily growing my trading account daily. I'm easily growing my trading account daily. I'm excited to push my team to grow exponentially. That. I'm easily creating viral and valuable content daily. Like you see that break of, see how we got that break? Got the double, watch, let's test this one out here. We have that break. I'm going in for a buy as we speak right now, which was 7769, 7699. There we go. Placing everything in here. 7687. Okay. And we got 7711. Which is a $28 win. $28. $29 loss. Okay, so we're in. Why? We got the butt cheek pattern down here at the bottom. Broke a trend line, went up, retested, it created supports. Have a higher chance of moving back up here. And it's the time frames are also aligning here at the bottom. We might get a green dot here, which should push it up. As you can see, this one did a little push up here. Didn't break the whole high. Previous side to the left. But it could. See how it's retesting the support right here? Resistance support area. It's retesting it. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's going down. No worries. Still. Push it up already. Let's go. Just having trouble break that out. Nine o'clock. We should probably get some more volume in now. Womp, womp, womp. So far, it's not looking good. The structure of the market is, I mean, it's not, this is not looking like it's going to continue to go up. Oh, almost out. I'm almost out. And we can learn why didn't that one work? You know? Let's get it out. You'd say, hey, why didn't that work? We might test this bottom right here. Oh, we're up. Okay, so that's a loss. No worries. It's okay, guys. Okay, so we're heading down here towards the VWAP, which could be potentially very good buys down here. No worries, guys. No worries. Easy stuff. We're now creating a one of these, which tends to break out from there, meaning going up. Let's see. Let's go back on the 1 hour. See what we got here. What's going on in the 1 hour? Okay. Getting stuck in this range right here. But we can now be ready for an upward movement since we've broken this support or resistance, retested it. It should be creating a level of support here where like it might stay here and then it might go up. Once it creates support, it should be going up. But let's see what else we got. We got okay, that's a good little confirmation here of continued upward movement. Same with this as well. We got the green dot with the V-ball pointing up. This starting to point up more. It's above the 60 line. Got some momentum. However, we did break this low right here though. This was broken, which is not good. That indicates a potential movement down or a reversal. But this could be a head and shoulders right here. Here's a shoulder, head, shoulder going down to the bottom levels around here. Here-ish. You can see here. But this can take, a day or two. As you can see, we have break of the trend line. Right. Which once it breaks, it starts to exhaust a bit here, but we did get it's looking like it's getting exhausted, guys. Overall, long term, it's getting exhausted. We need more. We need more price action to really see what else. But this is looking exhausted. It's there's not enough bond to push it up through here. Nothing has shown recently. This is only like it's been getting exhausted. Let's see what we got here. That price hit does not look bullish. Okay, see how we're breaking that trend line, or are we? Are we breaking that trend line? We are. We did. We did. We broke it. We broke it, guys. Here's support. VWAP. VWAP is creating a level of support on there. See how it's just sucking up. The VWAP here, the little bots, the trading bots are hitting that. It's a better ish. Okay. Broke the trend line. So we didn't get an upward movement, which is so that's not correct. At least we think the upward movement there actually broke that trend line. We broke this one, which is we're probably going to get this is what's most likely going to happen. Price will end up going up down here and then down there. That is what I'm shooting for. That is what I'm shooting for. Let me get my phone ready. And see if that aligns up with everything else down here. Yeah, we have higher numbers at the top, which means price is going to have a higher chance of going down for the next 20 to 30, 15 minutes. So this is from the 15 minute, you got a 17, 16, 17, 6, 16, 21, 6. So then we're going to get a reversal up here. Okay. Go away. Price is getting exhausted here. That is a strong wick, though. I'm not going to lie. This is the next movement we can get. Goes up, breaks over here, goes back down. Just like how I did here. Could be the next move here, okay, guys? I'm not doing this, I'm just testing it. Just testing it. Not placing this buy, guys, I'm just testing it. My yellow X indicates continued downward movement. Yellow X indicates a large buy order continued with a sell. So it's like a fake out. Let's give you the bots, trading bots. Algos that are making there. EMA is kind of acting as resistance in there. Let's go and plot out the next supports. Test that one out. Test clusters. What do we got here, guys? Could we break that trend line? Do a little W head and shoulders pattern out. If you guys want to see my strategies, actually right here. Impulse correction with a bull pendant break of impulse correction with a bull pendant. Inverse head and shoulder, pump, retest, execute buy. So once it does that, this break, impulse head and shoulder, retest, buy. That is my strategy. Market sector has to have green dots aligning, potential bull divergences, multiple timeframes aligning. Money wave has to be below zero and going up along with money flow and created a green dot above VWAP, close to VWAP. Blah, 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 blah. Remember, I did not take this trade. I did take one loss today though, but this is not. Okay, so what do we see? We see an exhaustion right here. Exhausting right here. Not too much volume. What day is it today? It's on Wednesday, I believe. Oh, Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. Okay. Let's go back on our higher time frames. What do we got going? We do have a break right there. What do we got? Could it be creating support here? overall still sell bias, overall sell bias. From the shorter time frame, still bias. So, that's what we're waiting for. Definitely we're gonna be going more up. Okay. support demand level here. About these little support zones. Sell zones right here. Let's map out what's going on right here. Oh, are we reversing that just a bit there? We are. Okay. Sell is still in play though. The sell is still in play. What kind of shit is this, man? Give me my. Why do you do that? Give me my same screen. Give me my same settings. Get out of here. Do the Rusty. Okay. Oh, go back. What's going on? think that sell might be in play now. Show to buy. Okay, so we gotta do have that channel that's broken though. This is like a bullish movement. But the bigger channel that we broke, guys, is this one. So that's more in play, the bigger one. We really need more time to play it out though. But let's go here. Okay, I think our sell might be in play now. I got the view up right. Ooh. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. I think volume is finally in. Volume is in. Wow. Wow. We're going to retest this support zone. But remember, guys, we already hit our zone now. This is where this price is going to go to sell. So the only thing that is that we have We have this channel here, which is looking like there's a lot of wicks though. Okay, placing sell. Cells placed. Amazing. $7,683 is our $7,683. Might have to make a bigger stop loss, guys. This trade may have to go a little bit bigger. Which I believe we're going to be testing this right here. Okay, this is the one I'm running with, guys. Oh, nice, nice. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Boom. Already up $80. Already up $80. It's gonna be like a $200 trade. We should be going towards 76. 76, let's go ahead and put our stop loss there. Stop loss at 7732. Okay, perfect, guys. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? It's very short, so it might be going back up here. Closed it. Amazing. Amazing. Did you guys see that? Made $160 literally in 3-4 minutes. Bam. You guys saw that too. I planned it out. Boom, 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 bam, bam. I lost $28 in the earlier, so like up 140. Amazing. Amazing. Where can we go next? Where are we going to go next? We are going to be continuing down, guys. That's not the. We are definitely going to be testing our 76ers. We are definitely testing our 76ers. My goal is to get another entry in here, but I go in and out. That way there's no stress. Money's in and out. Boom. And I can make money this way. Just incredible, guys. Amazing. It's creating some support here. It's going to continue to go up, guys. It is going to continue to go up. It happened just right here, just like it did here. It went here, broke, went down. This is the sell that we took yesterday. Here, boom, down. And then it went up. Okay, we should have 618. Amazing. You guys see that? Amazing. Shit happens over and over and over. You just gotta be able to spot them. Gotta be able to spot them. Spot them. Spot them. Got them. Shot them. Revenge. Okay, what's next, guys? What's next? This right here. That's what's next. Okay, beautiful. That was just amazing. Oh. Oh, I should have kept that in there, huh? It's okay, it doesn't matter. I made my money. Time to make some more trades, though. Definitely not done. We are not done. But this could definitely be a massive sell, though. Oh, look at that. I think it's, oh my goodness. goodness. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Let's bring this back to a 30-minute. There we go, guys. Yeah, that's the head and shoulders. We're going down now. We are definitely revisiting these zones. Definitely revisiting these zones. Hurry the fuck up, man. Definitely revisiting these zones. Not after some sort of retest, so that was a massive short. We're probably going to get some more. Yeah, let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait what we got here. Let's wait for price to go up like crazy, then we short the motherfucker again. We short the fuck out of this motherfucker. Let's roll. Let's roll. We short the living fuck out of this motherfucker. Definitely not right now. This is where you get dead. You get destroyed if you're short. Let's roll. You get the head and shoulders now fully forming. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful call. But we officially broken this low now. The next one's right here. But we're going to get a nice short, though. We're going to get a very good. We're going much higher. So we're going to go to price. What zones do we got here? Over here. What zones do we got here? Oh, what? What? That shit went straight down here. 76.15 to. Oh, we might be getting some more shorts, guys. What? We are at some, good demand level though. 1 minute, 3 minute. Ooh, they still haven't confirmed green dots at the bottom. We might have to continue shorting it, guys. We may have to continue shorting. Let's go here. Let's bring it back down to the 15. What do we got on the 15? Let's go to 21. What do we got on the 24? Okay. 10. Okay. Still has it bottomed out in the 10. No, go back. What are we doing here? What do we got? You still definitely go above here, guys. It's dangerous to sell here. Dangerous. Very dangerous. Steve Irwin. Oh my God, dangerous. Waiting on the sidelines, guys. Where are our sell zones? Right here, right here. Let's map them out actually. Let's map them out. Oh, let's map this thing out. Map it out. Map it out. Walk it out page. See that dangerous? He would have been fucked, royally fucked if we would have shorted that. Royal ass whipping. Let's go from the top to the bottom here. Where's some good sell zones? Okay, so we got the 318 right here. That's the 318. We got that covered. We got that covered. Let's go ahead and add one right here. Let's go take this out. Let's make some support here to go up off of. You know, that might be even be a good buy, guys. I'm not even lying. But we're in a massive sell area, so that's very risky. But it's easy to buy when it's super shorted. Easy buys, they tend to go up really quick. Okay, here's support. Here's resistance, not support. You would see it. That's how it would look like. Might even do that one, guys. I'll let you know if I'll do it. I think I'm going to do it. I'm doing it. Boom. I did a buy here. I placed my stop loss. At 7.585. Oh man, I thought that were fucking green dots, you bitch. I should have never done that. No. No worries. Oh. I think we gotta continue. Only lost 20 on that one. I did a little small bet on that one, guys. Learn our lesson, all right? Learn our lesson there. Little testers. So I'm up like $118. It's doing a little head and shoulder pattern right here. Here. Let's go. You guys saw me make a stupid mistake. So here's our next zone right here. Our next zone, very likely to happen, very extremely likely to happen. Let's clear it up, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Got some more down. So you can see it happen right here, guys. This is what I love about XRP. Here's the head and shoulder pattern right here. Went up here and then shorted. Same thing right here. Same exact thing right here, just in a smaller version. Shoulder, head, shoulder, up, down. So up, down. So our next is going to be at 7669 up here. Should be around the higher area. However, volume may not let us do that. Volume may just continue to go back down, but I don't think so. We're at a strong level of support here. We could definitely just go zoom here within 1 hour or less. We can definitely do that. But chances are we're not. Chances are we're not. So chances are we're not. It's getting cold. Getting cold, guys. Water here. Where we at? Where we at? Oh, my abs are not getting it. Losing my abs. Here. Got some wick action going there, huh? You got the head and shoulder formed there at the most likely this is what you're going to get here. Which is why I did that buy, but it's dangerous, relatively dangerous. Dangery. It's the homie danger though. It's the homie danger though. It's the homie danger though. This is probably what we got going on here. That's probably what we got going on there. That's my strategy too. After an impulse correction with a bull or bearish pendant, wait for a break, inverse head and shoulder or head and shoulder, and then enter after. Oh man, sell volume may just be too strong for this session, and if it is, I'm shorting. Price is having trouble breaking down this demand zone right here. This zone, very strong. Just some buy orders there. Sell zones are above here, here and here. Wait, my friend. Wait, my friend. Could get some just random boost. Oh, uh-oh. Yeah. Oh. Selling. Minute sell. Yes. 7,500 stop. 7,500. Take profit. Good job. Yes, 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 yes. 7,500. Yes. There we go. 7,500. Get to the 7,500. Oh, guys, it just went just above it. No. 7569 is my entry. Ooh. Just by 5 points, guys. I didn't hit it. By 5 points. There's too much power in the cells. Good job. So I'm at a loss. At a loss, guys. Man, I would have fucking been up 300. Or no, 160, 280, 270. Definitely going in on a massive recovery there, guys. Probably to the real sell zone, which is up here. I still have my take profit here. I'm long term shorting this. I'm sorry, guys. I'm overall looking at this as a bearish structure that needs to continue to go down more, probably to here. So I'm leaving this open, this trade open. My target's at the bottom here. We got that. Now, where did it really bounce up from? 786. So let's go here. 786, which is down here. 74. 7,400. $75.69 is entry. All right. Make some food. Okay, so I'm going to end this session right here. I am going to end it. But so far, I would still be up $80 if I stopped. But long term, we're definitely going shorts. All right, guys. You guys have an amazing day. All right.